Hi, I'm Margaret Jurgle. My mom works for Pilot Light and I will be teaching you to make tortillas. So in this bowl I have flour, baking powder, and salt. And now I'm going to add the butter and mix it with my hands until it resembles coarse meal. Okay, now I'm going to add the water and mix it with my hands.
Once it mostly comes together, honey, you can also dump it out on the counter and finish kneading it from there. You can press down with the heel of your hand too. There you go.
I think it looks done.
I think it does too.
Okay, so now after me and my mom finished rolling this out, it looks more like a dough. So now we are going to cut it in half. And put one half to the side. And with your half, cut it into a half. And I'm gonna cut it in half.
And then roll it into a ball. And then you can flatten it with the rolling pin. Wow, you're doing a great job. Looks nice and thin. We are putting it in the pan. Fold it over a little bit. So we're gonna straighten it out. And then we're gonna give it a minute to cook. Hopefully the pan was hot enough. Oh, watch, tortilla never bakes. Just kidding, yes it does. So Margaret is ready to make her churro style tortilla. She's got some butter and some cinnamon mixed with sugar, and there's a lot of cinnamon in there because she loves cinnamon. Let's see. Oh. Ready to flip. You can see it's got some speckles on the outside of it. I'm gonna flip it one more time. Okay, there, it's got some nice brown marks on that side. Do you think it's ready to eat, Margaret?
Yes.
Okay, we're gonna turn off the pan and transfer the tortilla to the plate where Margaret is gonna doctor it up. A little bit of butter. Would you like a spoon for the cinnamon and sugar, or you just want to sprinkle it?
Just want to sprinkle it.
All right then. So we're just about ready. Good stuff. Thumbs up. All right. Could you say thanks to Pilot Light again?
Thank you, Pilot Light.
We want to know how you and your family are enjoying this recipe and making it together. So tag us. Find us on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram at Pilot Light Chefs, #PLFamilyMeal.